Okay, hello, kay Access Grinders, update lang tayo, no? For today, Tuesday, no? January 7. For the past few days, hindi ako nakapag-upload. Medyo busy lang, no? Pero nakuha natin yung mga, simula naman din, nakuha naman natin yung task. So, let's start with AXS. So for the past 24 hours, down ng AXS ng 10.50%. And currently, ang price ngayon is $6.51. And moving to our daily bounties. Under daily bounties, meron lang tayong standard board. Unfortunately, wala pa tayong premier ticket to open up the bounty, no, ng premier. So let's go with standard board. All goods na, no? Itong Atia, 10 points. All goods na rin itong classic win battle, 35 points. And 35 points din sa origins, win 1 battle. And yun lang yung update natin. And for this one, 160 points total for 2 days for this week. Estimated earning na 0.1 for AXS. And moving to our staking. So for staking, same pa rin naman ang ating AXS. That's 31.4827 AXS. Ang current price na ngayon is $204.32. And meron tayong claimable rewards tomorrow na 0.15477 AXS. So yun lang yung update natin for today. Follow for more.